Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back. Today we're actually going to be working on the GTI. Haven't been there in a while, been super busy with work and everything, but pretty excited to start wrapping it. I know he's made some progress on it already, but kind of want to go over there and see if I can do a little bit of it, just kind of document the process. I did end up picking up a GoPro as well. This is the Hero 7. Got a bunch of attachments with it, as well as a few extra batteries. So we're gonna test that out. I also got a bunch of parts for the Aristo. I am gonna drive the Aristo over there. I haven't driven it since I actually brought it home. It's been kind of shitty out, but I'm gonna mount that up in the car, and then we're gonna head over there, and I'll pick this up in the Aristo. Gotta let her warm up a little bit. Like I said, I haven't really driven this thing since I got it, honestly, but she pulls pretty hard. Definitely can't wait to get that blow-off valve on there. It's gonna sound so much better. Also have to be careful because I have the temporary plates on it still. I love driving this thing. This is actually going to be the last time driving the car stock, because tomorrow I will be putting on the BC coilovers. Also got this new Ferrari wheel mounted, and I actually like it a lot. This thing gets it pretty good. Carson's house is coming up real quick here though. Alright, we just got to Carson's. Kind of wanted to show this wheel before I go in there. Definitely stoked on this thing. Fits super well. But let's go inside and see what we have going on. What's going on, dude?
So like cold start, it starts out real loud, but then it actually idles down pretty quiet.
Let's check her out. Also got the sick Fiero that he's wrapping. Kind of the same color as Adam LZ's Chaser almost.
I know, it's a cool color. Yeah, that's like as quiet as it goes down.
Yeah, let's try out some wrap.
Yeah.
I've never done it before.
Yeah, I adjusted the this camber plate. So this is how I want it set now. And then basically we just need to get that in too.
Yeah, he's got all the coilovers done besides this side. Been making some good progress.
Yeah, and that looks super raised up when it's on jacks like that.
Right.
This rear hatch piece might be pretty easy. If we just prop it up like that, and then we just get to, me and you, and just lay it.
Right.
And it shouldn't be too hard. Just cutting out everything, really.
Yeah.
Shoot, we can do that.
This color is sick though.
It's gonna be cool. I laid the I just set the headlights in here to kind of get an idea.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna look cool though.
So you just clay bar it first to get all the
Just
off.
try and get as much as I can out.
Okay.
Yeah, but I washed it pretty good before I stored it, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. I forgot about that GTI badge right there.
That shouldn't be super hard to take off.
No, just heat and like fishing line, right?
Yeah. It definitely sounds dry.
Yeah. Like that.
Camera died while we were in the process of this, but it's turning out pretty good so far. This is my side. Not too bad for never doing it. Definitely have to work around that emblem.
Yeah, it's gonna be something, but
Yeah. This stuff is actually super easy to work with, so that's cool.
in a weird spot.
It's fun getting all the bubbles out.
More difficult parts out of all of it, honestly.
Looks good from like 3 feet away.
Yeah.
I mean, most people aren't going to be that close to your car.
Shoot, when they're pulled to car meets, I'll just put cones around.
Right.
Just be like, don't come any closer. You're gonna notice all the mistakes.
Yeah, it's alright.
Not too worried about it.
Better to do it yourself.
Save me like $2,000.
Right. I'll take a couple air bubbles for that.
Exactly. I usually just give it like a good. You want to give it a good, like, I don't know, quarter inch, yeah. Just kind of run it. I usually end up giving it like more than what it really needs, just to be safe. Because if you cut too much off, then you're left with
Not enough to really like lay down.
not enough to tuck it. So then. I usually try and do like if I start a line, I'll just like finish that line. And then yeah, so before, just get like a good track to follow essentially. So I just push in down like that entire crease. Should be good for now. And then, so like, since we're wrapping like this panel, I try and stay to like, so like in this case, I'll stay as close to like the glass
Right.
as I can right there. So yeah, like I said, just try and stay as close to like the opposite of what you're wrapping. And I guess kind of like almost like tattooing, you want to look where you're going, not where you're at.
Yeah.
Corners are weird too. Kind of gotta like get it so it looks pretty flat around it.
Let's check her out. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad.
Alright, so we got that thing wrapped up. Turned out pretty good. Now we're actually gonna throw this last coilover on so we can get this thing back on the ground, hopefully. These fronts were a huge pain in the ass while we were doing them. We actually started this like a month ago, and we're just now getting to it. That's it. We got all 4 coilovers on now.
Finally.
Finally, after a month.
Hey, it feels good. Feels good.
Definitely making some progress on it.
There's some wheels on it now, shoot.
Now, do you want to try to put it back on the ground, or you still got to wait for those end links?
I honestly just want to throw some wheels on it and put it on the ground for now.
Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Alright, let's see you put this Volkswagen wheel on.
I've gotten decent at it.
Oh, yeah.
Do it so many times. Does suck though. Never again. The Euro scene's cool and all, but like, they suck to work on.
We'll throw this wheel on, and then we'll get it back on the ground. We're still on the jack stand on this side. I can't wait for you to build that garage.
Oh my god. Well, and that's like this. Don't get me wrong. This, like, I appreciate the heck out of this garage, you know.
Yeah.
But I can't wait to have a garage that I can call my own, and keep it clean, and not have all this shit everywhere. This time. Yeah. So this side's still pokey.
Yeah.
Adjust that camera play, but check out this side.
See the difference in the camber plates? Oh yeah, that's a lot different. We set this side all the way in, so now it really tucks pretty nicely.
Yeah, it looks good. It's not.
Yeah, it shouldn't be rubbing or anything.
Hell yeah.
And then this side, we'll have to adjust. But so far so good.
And the backs, I love how the backs look, honestly.
Oh yeah.
Pretty big weekend for the GTI. Finally got some motivation again. Got the night off work the other night. Did the fenders, wrapped those up. Got the strut loose, so we're able to finish up that coilover. So it's finally on the ground after too long. Adam came over and we ended up wrapping the hatch, so
Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good.
there's not too much left really, well, there's a lot of car left to wrap.
Honestly, these flat panels I think are going to be pretty easy to do.
Yeah, I also have to take door handles out, and really it's just,
Big sections.
it won't be hard at all.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap this one up here though. Definitely excited to see this thing back on the ground. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Going to be doing the BC coils on the Aristo. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.